Today was massive. Big up everyone that came on a walk. And the guys at Jam and Vibes have sorted us out. Everyone's over there having food, having drinks, you know what I'm saying? Right now it's popping in Chelmsley Wood. You get what I'm saying? Foundry Gym. Don't forget this is for a good cause, for Jess.
Welcome to the Foundry mountain walk. If everyone's ready, can I hear a yes? Yes!
This is all a collective effort, so let's try and get this all done as a team. Foundry mountain walk for Jess and Lisa. And just remember, it's the anniversary of her dad as well, who did sadly pass away from cancer as well. So yeah, thanks for coming. Let's go! I trained for this. I was built for this.
Hayes, what you got for me?
Possibly one of the hardest things I've done today.
Smashing it, man. Love me, baby. Says cheese.
Get on. Get me.
Big up Mumsy, you know. Hey, man.
Shit, I tried to like kill myself at the same time. I've done the wrong way, I think.
Yo, trees. Oh, you got the mask on.
Come on. Yo, we're gonna make it regardless. You know what I'm saying? I needed you to record when the man had the
listen. You think I'm not trying to slip down the mountain either, you know. I'm trying to keep my grip as well.
It's looking like we are on a mission, bro.
Go on!
Hello! Hello! We completed it! We did it!
And got to the top. Done the descent now is a mad thing.
Is everyone on the coach? Hopefully everyone's on the coach.
All on our asses.
Who's gonna do this again? Summer, like everyone's gonna be sweating.
You good? I'm good, man. I'm waiting for C. Come on!
This is, what is it? Converse hiking. All of them that took the train track route. Proceed.
Lay your head down.
But yeah, other than that, been a good experience. Altogether, I think it's about 14 kilometers if you went to the top. Other than that, let's get the R&B and slow jams on and let's have a good